Hello again, parents. This is Mr. Post, and the purpose of this video is to help walk you through our online registration. The 2020-2021 school year. We're excited to have your students back and hope that this video helps make online registration a very simple process. For those of you who received my email, you should receive a direct link to the registration form on our website. For those of you who have not received that email, you will first come here to davinciacademy.org. You will go under Parent Information and select Secondary Registration 2020-2021, which will bring you to this page. These will be going live Friday morning, August 7th. You will begin by selecting the appropriate grade level for your student. So here we will select 10th through 12th grade student. We will click here. That will bring us to our registration form. Make sure that you're filling out the appropriate grade level up here. So if you have a student in 7th through 9th grade, you'll need to fill out the other form. You'll begin by typing in their name, first and last, and their student grade. Please just enter the number here. You will then read the introduction, of course. It'll explain things about COVID-19 that we're looking for. Parents, this year, a big goal of ours is to have all of our parents complete registration online. If you read through these different steps, there should be no reason actually for you to have to come to the school next week. Next, we will jump to step 2, which is the parent orientation presentation. Parents, it is critical that you review the slides here. There are many, I know, but it is important that you read through each of them. That looks like this here. Let me present it. I apologize. But it goes through basically all of the important information, how to navigate our website, how to receive school notifications. If you're not getting our emails or our phone calls, please select right here to fill out your information on our school website. There's also the Parent-Student Compact. Parents, it's very important that you read and understand this document as it explains what we as a school will be doing for your student, but also what we expect from you as the parent and student. So please read that. Also, parent involvement hours, for the hours that you do helping your students or helping out at the school. A video explaining our pickup and drop-off processes. So please watch this if you're new to Davinci, as we are a downtown school and parking is limited, but we want to keep all students safe. Dress code, nothing changed since last year, minus the expectation that students wear masks. We have a video here explaining some of our COVID-19 precautions and procedures that we expect our students to follow. We have a great video to watch. Cell phone policy remains the same as last year. Please read this if you are new to Davinci. Any medical forms that your student may have. Parents, it is critical that we are made aware of any medical issues that your students may have. If your student is required to carry any medication on their person, please go through these forms to make sure that we have proper documentation for them to be able to do that. There's the attendance expectations, how to check in and check out your student, FERPA notice, which is your rights to privacy within education. Then our commitment to anti-bullying. There are links here of our anti-bullying policy, how to report it, and how to use the Safe UT app, which is a critical piece in preventing bullying. There's also the free and reduced lunch information, as well as the application to apply for free or reduced lunch. Also, there's the parent meeting for a Title I notice here. That will take place in September. And then our fee notice here, which you can click and read through and understand how our fees are broken down. That will be all here on this parent orientation. Very important information. We will jump back here to step 3, which is our student information section, which is SIS. Parents, if you have a parent account for SIS, please just go in and check by clicking this link to make sure that your mailing address and phone numbers are correct. Parents, if you're new to Davinci and do not have an SIS account, you can click on this link here and watch a video of how to take care of getting that account created. It is information here of how your student will log in to SIS. This is how they will check their schedule with registration. Okay? If you need a schedule change, which is highly possible because there are a lot of moving parts with the COVID-19 and scheduling, we ask that you please click here and fill out the form for what you would like to change your schedule. We are asking to to schedule all appointments with our counselors virtually as to keep them as safe as possible. Step 4 is volunteering and parent in our PTSO organization. There's information there that you can review. Step 5 is about our Land Trust Committee. There's a letter here and a way to sign up if you would like to serve on our Land Trust Committee. Step 6, very important step as well. Lots of tutorial videos here on how to get familiar with the technology that we use here at Davinci Academy. With COVID-19 and the expectation of virtual learning this year, and that every Friday will be a virtual learning day, we ask that parents become very familiar with how to use Canvas. So please review these videos. If you have any questions, please contact us at the school. Step 7, it's important that we have an acceptable use policy signed by every single student in the building for them to be able to use our technology. It is a lengthy document, but it is important to understand the expectations we have of your child using school technology. Step 8, this is a unique one. This is only for parents of students in grades 10 through 12. This is you giving them permission to leave campus for school lunch each day. This is 100% optional. You do not have to sign this document, but we do need a document on file, which is completed by clicking here, for your student to leave campus. Parents of students in grades 7 through 9, you will not see this step on your registration form, so you can ignore this portion. Step 9 here is the committee sign up. If you'd like to serve on any of these committees, please feel welcome to do so. Parents, once you've completed all of these different steps, it is imperative that you select each one of these boxes. It will not let you submit the form until you have checked all of these boxes. Finally, parents, we get to the final instructions of registration, which is to coordinate the payment of fees for your student at Davinci Academy. You will see here, this is the link for 10th and 11th grade. You will see a link on the 7th through 9th one, or a 7th and 8th grade link, a 9th grade link, and we will have this 12th grade link ready for tomorrow. You can review our fee schedule by selecting here, which breaks out the fees by junior high and high school. Parents of seniors, please note there is an additional $40 fee for graduation fees, and that is why you have a separate link to select there. It is important to note too, parents, that this $15 locker fee we are taking off this year because we are not planning to hand out lockers this year because of COVID-19 and touch and sanitary purposes for right now. Okay, we will go back to the document here. This is where you will select the pay online. This is for 10th through 11th grade. You'll put your student's last name, first name, and their grade. This $135 fee is the required fees. And below here, you need to go through your student's schedule. If they have any of these electives, you need to select these courses. Okay. If they need new PE shirt or PE shorts, you can select that here. Also, there are optional fees if you'd like to purchase a UTA bus pass, or if you've had one and need to replace one, you can select that. Also purchase yearbook and PTSO membership. It is important to note, parents, that there is a fee. You can pay online through this portal. You also have the option to call our front office, and you can pay with a credit card over the phone. Again, parents, we're trying to minimize how many parents are coming into the building to pay registration fees. If you have any questions about this, please contact our office manager, Lori Ross, at 801-409-0720. Okay, now we will go back to the registration form. Okay, below here is a part for the students to sign, agreeing to all of these policies here. The way you will do this is you will select this black box here. You can either draw the student signature or type their name, and they can do that. We'll type it. Just say this student is John Doe. We're going to click Save Signature, and the box will turn green. It is important, parents, that you have to put the student's email in below before you can save it. And then you will sign it here and type your email, and then you will submit. You will get a copy emailed to you, so please let me know if you do not get that copy of your registration form. Parents, I know this is a long video and we covered a lot of material. If you have any questions about registration, please don't hesitate to email me at simon.post@davinciacademy.org or call me at 801 409-0671. Have a great day.